Hello everyone. So today I'm going to start the new chapter, the chapter named VidyaSagar from your textbook Rangcho Roka, page number 21. And you know who is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar? He was Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was one of Indian educator and a social reformer who was born on the 26th September 1820. Okay, he was one of the famous scholar, writer, philosopher, educationist, and social reformer. Okay, so here we have some of the short story, one short story of VidyaSagar. So here I'll start reading, and you just follow. You just see in your textbook. Okay. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar re Gyakar Liang sa Katap Mugon sa Sugdum sa do Abriang tar Vambu Yemtun dok Songka kat Goma Zenbu Kyonbu li Jathongka Gek Thobu Goma Hudo sa Achum Nam re Azen Pakyong Jupto sa Kurvongka Gurmo Lisa gundo yokpong hunun jugatvam thoma. Hudo sa depka roksibu chopongla manin thoma. Lika laong sa chetlet nun matba go ba hu lom sa munglem om sa dampu abong sa amin kon dingnu yangne ngannu rok vam thoma. Hu rokshong pi shongka Pokdo nyamni matvam thoma, hu nyakudo lurikchen ko rogbu ong go thoma. Ikjaka tudosa nyingru yentun plonka lenchonen matba, hu atimbu yemtun dokat ngunon seba chodo hudosa chi tong ngunshong tarzing ngunmo. So this is first paragraph. I'll explain it and you just go through this. Okay. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar re gyakar liang sa katap mugun sa sugdum sa do abriang tarvam bu yemtun dok songka kat goma. He was one of the famous scholar in the world, okay, not only in our country, but he is one of the famous person in the world, okay. Hu zenbu kyonbu li jathongka gek thobu goma means he was born and brought up in a very poor family, okay. Hudo sa achim namre azen akyong jupto sa kurvongka gurmo. So his childhood days was in very spent in very miseries and lot of struggles, okay. Lisa gundo yokpong hunun jugat vamthomo. So he has to handle all the work of his home. And azom athen pongla hunundo jugvam thomo linbure he also cooked the food for his family. Hudosa depka roksibu chopongla munin thomo. So he was without books, okay. He was with the crisis of books and study materials, okay. Lika laong sa chetlet nun matba go ba hu lom sa munglem aom sa dampu abong sa amin kon dingnu yangnu ngannu rogvam thoma. So because of the crisis at his home of oil, okay, kerosene oil, so he used to go out to the street and sit under the street lamp, and he used to study there. Hu rokshong pishong ka phokdo nyamni madvam thomo. So he was very interested in the studies, okay. Hu nyakudo lurikchen ko rogbu ongo thoma, and he was very intelligent and very obedient student, okay. Ikjaka tudo sa nyingru yentun plonka lencho matba hu atimbu yemtun dokat ngun non mo. So Igza ka tudo sa nyingru lin bare because of his effort, because of his determination towards the studies and the hard work towards the studies, he became one of the he became one of the scholar, one of the famous person, famous educationist. Okay, so Suba Choba Hudosa Chitong Munshong Tarzing Munmo, and he started becoming very famous, okay, everywhere. Kathin hu Bardavan rail dingthoka kor lombam thoma. So one day he was just roaming around, giving a visit at the Bardavan railway station ka hu Wung he was just roaming around. Utha bado muro fling ngayon kat tungvo lom playet mo. So then one gentleman came out from the train. Okay, so muro ure hu put lachen sa liuka ni thoma hudosa akaka akyangbu tengip kat bu vam thomo. So that man, that gentleman looks like a noble person, okay, noble man, and he was carrying one bag, okay, one handbag, very light handbag. Hudosa ka akyangmu tengip kat bu vam thomo. Station ka yet dingban hu kulli yong nyum sung lung likmo, and he just get down from the train and he just started looking for the kuli. Okay, kuli means the porter who carries the bags. Okay, kam sonap non thogo ne tiangla kuli song li lika lot non thomo. So it was like late evening and all kulis went back to home, and not a single kulis are around there. So along mura urehu pok do samnet mat ding zong simo. So he looks very tensed. Okay, nobody is there who will carry his bag. Hu Ishwar Chandra rem chumka lat thobu yimba. Actually he came to meet Ishwar Chandra VidyaSagar. Okay, tudo sabu rem tingip tudo do bunu hu tudo sa hudo sali ka nong matan vam thomo. Actually he was like, he have that attitude that he should not carry his bag. Gentleman will not carry his own bag. Okay, so azangbu at condition time kare, he was just he just want to show his gentleman gesture with very kind of attitude ga. Along olom mat gong todosa chi yang ne tamzik zen show young hunan ching vam thomo. If he carries the load or a bag in front of his this prestigious person, then he used to think that it will be like ashamed. Okay, so Vidyasagar nun hudom some from dingbu sihatmo. So at that time Vidyasagar caught him in that tense gesture. Okay, utet ka hu tak don nahan frit nong ma hu nun nong ban tengip cha chun ma. Then he just went to that person immediately. As soon as he saw him in that condition, he went to that person and hu nun nong ban tengip cha chun ma. He just carry that back. Okay, Ishwar Chandra went near to that person and he just pick up the bag of that person. Pon la chen zongbu mura hunun hudom bu betlungcha nongmu, and he gave him his bag and he let him carry his bag. Li ga khban hunun shuki kat dut ban bu thobu yoklo salyuka tat bima. Then when they reach home of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, and that gentleman give him one coin. Okay, senla Vidyasagar nun yoklo ure liamuthupne as a fare, he gave as a charge. Okay, as a service charge he gave him that coin. But Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar is like, he refused to accept that. He refused to take that coin from him. So olomat ba mura nun kam sakliat non mo. Then he reacted, or that gentleman started reacting on him. Station and liang oba that sakulli law or erlen locks that ngun kate. So you know what must cost from there to so from station to here. This is enough. This is enough cost from there to here. Go station nanga abisung that this coin is enough. VidyaSagar nan jamla thenbi mo. Then VidyaSagar smiled back him, and amalem athen sajar la zuknan hunan lima. Then he smiled and he just said, Ishwar Chandra VidyaSagar nan shuri yok losa phanglut thoban jumen muro rem lentop mamat ne hunan aduk anot ka chut thobu muro songrem lentop machong sakchin machu. So he said, Ishwar Chandra never takes the charges that he helped to the person who is in trouble, okay, and he always used to help to the person who is in trouble. VidyaSagar nangare, he replied to that gentleman. Then pun la chen jangbu mura ore hu phok do saktam nu ngbu ngokyong do ngunon mo. Then that gentleman was very shocked and surprised to see this person, okay. He came to meet this great personality, but this person is such a down to earth that he could not believe his eyes. And hunan murasare hudom kulli yongching, and he thought this person is a kulli potter, but no, this is such a mistake, okay. And Muchoka hunan ching re jong kulli go muthonmo. Actually, he was not kulli, but he was a great personality, okay, to whom he came to meet from very far. Then senla VidyaSagar hudodo go thoma sire hudom gunsala yakarnun chitong mat bambu goma hure, but he was not the potter, but he was that person, okay, famous person. And he was that gentleman got shocked, okay, by seeing him like this. Mura ure hudom nyak do shamdon gunmo. Then that gentleman became very ashamed, okay. He felt ashamed of his behavior, okay. He misbehaved with this person. Unknowingly he have done that. But hu dong nong nu VidyaSagar sa athong chamnu phyok chamo, and he immediately fall down to the feet of Ishwar Chandra VidyaSagar unungara hununga shuli hudo samik lomigrum cha glu yuma. Then he started he started crying, okay, for and begging him migrum zungun lung hunun tudo nun mathobu akyol plong rumkyu shimo. Unknowingly he have committed that mistake, and for that mistake he just asked for the forgiveness. Then VidyaSagar nun hudom dun shokba nim simnyu nun tudosa yok tudosa akunun do matgacho. Then finally VidyaSagar give him a good suggestion and it's like a lesson to him that the person, okay, human being have to carry his own load, okay, his own burden by himself only. We should not depend upon others, okay. Whatever load we have to carry it ourselves. So this is the lesson VidyaSagar have given to that gentleman, and as well as he have given this lesson to us also, okay. So we should not always burden to other, okay. We should not give our burden to other, and we should not hope that somebody will take our responsibility on their shoulder. No, it is not like that. We have to carry our own responsibility by ourselves, okay. So this is the lesson that he taught to everyone of us, everyone. And so this lesson have this short story ended out here. So I'll be forwarding the questions and answers of this chapter in the Teach Me study material only. Okay, then see you. Take care. Bye. Thank you.